We got another great video for you today on how to have fun cruising. You're going to love this one. If you're going on the Norwegian Sky Cruise ship and you got a balcony room, we're going to tour it today for you so you can check it out. If you haven't, definitely subscribe, hit that like button. Also check out our Instagram, Facebook, and our website, howtohavefuncruising.com. Also, we have 6 channels now, including our mothership, which is How to Have Fun Outdoors. And here is a look at the Norwegian Sky Cruise ship, almost 2,000 passengers, and we love this ship, we really do. And if you haven't, definitely check out our walkthrough video on this cruise ship. Also, we give you a bunch of tips on this cruise ship. You're going to want to watch that video. Places to eat, you're going to want to watch that video. And guess what, guys? You're going to love this because we walk through the room like we always do with all the cruises we go on. And Alice's from Italy, Milan area, so she's the king of fashion. So she's going to tell you the good and bad of this Norwegian Sky balcony room. Let's go talk with Alice.
Hello everyone, what a great day! We are here in Mauritius and we are departing with our Norwegian Sky Cruise ship. And today we are going to start right now with the walkthrough of our balcony cabin. Are you guys ready to check it out? Let's go!
All right, Alice, here we are.
Yeah, room 9249 of the Norwegian Sky. Come on everyone, this
All
is
right.
our balcony room.
Super cool. Take a look. Here we are, Norwegian Sky, and boy, we're outside of Mauritius, so we'll show everybody Mauritius from the balcony.
Absolutely.
And if you don't know where that's at, that is next to Madagascar, which is next to Africa, so we're in the Indian Ocean. But today, it's all about this room review, so take it away, Alice.
Yeah, this is a very simple room, but very nice and essential. You have, first of all, right to the door, they did this nice key holder, so you never lose your keys. And on this side, you can see there is a nice storage with a big mirror. And here you can hang all your clothes. And on the other side of the closet, instead, you have holding and also some drawers and shelves. Very simple. You have also the safe there for all your belongings. On the other side instead, obviously for the temperature, very old school.
But effective, The room feels
nice.
great,
Oh,
yeah.
Very nice. And over here you turn on the light for your bathrooms. Come on in, the bathroom is super cool. So you have a nice faucet, then here a mirror, some older shelves, great toilets, and towels, and then this big shower. It's very old school shower, as you can see, but as you know, I like to test the shower, and it's big enough for me to dance into it, so approved.
Approved. All right, there you have it.
Yep.
And look at there, pretty cool overall.
Yeah. Great towels.
It's a nice bathroom though. Kind of
nice.
cool design because there's plenty of room, right?
Yeah. And then over here is the bedroom. First of all, let's test the bed.
All right.
Whoa! Oh man, it's so nice.
Is it good?
One thing about cruise ship, they have very comfortable beds.
All right.
And also, this Norwegian Sky win. So
All right.
very good. Both sides of the bed, and so this one has a nice, I would say, little table where you can put your stuff and a couple
We call
of
that a
shelves.
nightstand in America.
Yeah,
For all those that don't know, Alice's from Italy, so when she speaks English, it's her second language.
Yeah, sometimes
Say
I
hi to
forget
everybody
names.
in Italian.
Ciao a tutti.
All right.
Sometimes I forget the very simple words like the nightstand. I knew that, I just didn't remember.
Okay.
I love the art that they put in front of the bed, by the way.
Very cool.
And on this other side of the bed.
And let's talk about
this.
this. I mean, you come in the room, your shore
Yeah.
excursion tickets are all set. Day one, we got some sun. You got the latitude rewards.
Everything you needed to
Pretty
know.
cool. Well organized. This is one of the most organized cruise ships we've ever been on.
I agree, Tommy.
Took us only 15 minutes. We're still amazed to get through security, through customs, get checked in, get our cards, and do all of our safety
all
in 15 minutes. And I know everyone at home is not going to believe that because we can't believe it.
I know, it's so hard.
And we do a lot of cruising. We've never seen something so organized.
I agree with
And the people super friendly, and the island of Mauritius here, just fantastic. All right, well, let's keep going. You got a pull-out bed for the kids.
Yeah, on the other side, right here, there is this nice sofa that acts as a pull-out bed. And the door that goes to the balcony, I love that it has a little door. But what I like the most, guys, is actually that here you have this window that looks like a ship window. It's so cool. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, that's a different design than what we've seen. Usually it's a big slider. But that's kind of cool, right? Yeah. Something totally different.
Over here instead, you have some additional shelf, a nice television, a nice desk with the telephone, and obviously between the essential of a room, a nice refrigerator with for your drinks. Nice sit-down chair. And the trash. So
and then the trash.
Very simple,
big mirror here, which is cool.
Yep.
Big mirror, actually. Yeah.
And then obviously, if you want to treat yourself with your spouse, right, Tommy?
Yeah.
You can actually take advantage of the room service and mini bar, and here they give you all the information.
So let's throw a tip in for everybody. I mean, another big tip on our video here is ordering your water ahead of time, and you do this on every cruise now.
I do it,
and it is fantastic.
I love it, and one of the things that is really good is that. If you buy it ahead of time, it costs less money. You come here, you don't have to worry about water anymore. You just have your water for the rest of the cruise. And if you need extra, you can always order more. But, it's very convenient.
All right, so there you go. Another big tip here for you. And order ahead. So overall, Alice, pretty simple room, nothing crazy.
Yeah.
Basic balcony here on the Norwegian Sky. It's not a big ship. But so far, the service, everything about it's been a lot of fun, and we've enjoyed it a great deal. So
absolutely, a very essential room, but very well organized. And obviously, the thing that I like the most, come on, guys,
all right,
is actually
the balcony. All right, one last thing here.
Yeah,
wow.
Come on in, guys.
Look at this.
As always, a couple of chairs, a nice table, perfect for your room service breakfast. Right, Amity?
That's right.
And you sit here and you can admire Madagascar, South Africa, maybe seeing some lion or elephant from the coast. I don't know. I'm just making it up.
Yeah, well, today it's Mauritius, and it is beautiful, for sure. And that's Port Louise, guys. What a gorgeous island, though.
And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching.
How to have fun cruising!